Hi, we're Team Alpha Centauri. This week we collaborated with 3 other teams to plan a mission to Mars. We had a great time touring the Johnson Space Center and getting to know the various employees around the campus.
We were asked to create a 3D tool that would be used during the mission and to make it easily recreatable. So we developed a tool that combined a wedge, a crescent wrench, and an Allen wrench.
Something else we did this week was listening to Maya Cooper talk about the history of food that was and still is being sent up into space. She also talked about the process and testing of the food quality that is being sent up now.
We visited the Wearable Technology Lab, where we saw clothing with circuits built right in, carbon dioxide detectors being tested by the International Space Station, and even got to test out a virtual reality spacesuit.
To help in planning our getting there mission, we consulted our engineer, Zach Fester, for any questions that members of our group may have had. Under his guidance, we successfully created a working lander, rover, and rocket.
As a collaborative team, we worked together in building rockets, all with varied wing designs. The next night, we launched our specific rocket in hopes of receiving the highest team altitude average calculated by math afterwards.
But before that, we watched the pros do it.
In the spirit of the entry, descent, and landing portion of Team Alpha's mission, we competed with the other 3 teams on who could design the best lander. Our unorthodox landing system used a variety of materials jerry-rigged together using a mix of duct tape, screws, straws, and wires. After 3 redesigns, we were able to create a lander with the most consistent landing velocities, although they may not have been the most comfortable for its occupants.
Our favorite part of this week was getting to work together to create the various building projects that we did, including the rover project, and just getting to bond as a team.
We visited the Shuttle Avionics Integration Laboratory, or SAIL. There, they have a full simulator of the Space Shuttle avionics system and a full-scale model of the cargo bay.
For our PDR as Alpha Team, we were responsible for getting there, or the transit of the astronauts to Mars, and ensuring they arrived safely. We broke this down into prototyping and testing on the Moon, spacecraft design, and descent and landing once we are on Mars.
Something important Team Alpha Centauri learned here at our week at NASA was the importance of communication when trying to coordinate our work with other teams. We plan to use these skills to improve our effectiveness in school and other leadership positions for the rest of our lives.